Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add a vertical line to your document on Google Docs really quickly and easily, guys. Let us guide you through this. So head over to your document on Google Docs and first click where you'd like to place your vertical line to. So let me go, for example, with somewhere here in the middle of that page. So what you want to do next, guys, is access the built-in drawing tool here on Google Docs. To do that, click on Format here at the top, on Insert here, and after that select Drawing from the drop-down menu and click into plus new here to the right. That is going to redirect you to the drawing tool. So what you want to do next, guys, is click on that line icon here, or alternately click on that arrow down icon to select one of these line options here. You may go with an arrow or draw by hand by using or by selecting scribble, draw or curved line, and so on and so forth. So let me go with a standard line like this here. Click into line and left click where you'd like to place the start of your line, like here. Hold your left mouse and simply draw your line. If you'd like to have a line with, I don't know, completely 0 degree vertical line, simply hold your left mouse, and while doing that, press and hold left shift on your keyboard to stabilize your line and to make it look really vertical, just like that. Simply release your left mouse, and after that you will have a vertical line like that. So you may customize it by applying a line color here at the top. So let me go, for example, with that blue line like that one here, and you may also select a custom width or thickness for the line and so on and so forth. Make it dotted. And once you're content with your result, guys, simply click on Save and Close here in the top right corner, and that is going to add the vertical line to your document. You may click into it, for example, to customize it, to edit it by clicking on that button here to get redirected to the drawing tool. And that's how it works in practice, guys. As you can see, it is no rocket science. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.